Virgo, welcome to your reading. Today's reading is the eyes reading, where we will see how your person sees you. Okay. So Virgo, this is your eye reading. What you're seeing here is the upper cards or the upper lid of the eye shows how your person sees you, and they don't reveal it to you. And the lower cards or the lower lid of the eye shows how the person sees you, and you are aware of their feelings, or you might be telling them that, or they might be telling you that. Now this does not mean that your person is not being honest to you, that they are thinking something else and in front of you they're portraying something different, saying sweet words to you or lying. No, it's just that it's not sometimes we don't express ourselves to the other person because it's not the right time, or we don't find it necessary, so it's just about that. And this card right here shows what is it that is making your person to stay in the situation with you. So meaning that if you think that there might be a possibility that they might leave, but they're not leaving, so what is it that is binding them together with you in your situation? Okay, so for some of you, I see your person thinks that I'm kind of seeing two meanings here. For some of you, your person thinks that you make the other person fall in love with you, and because you think that they are much more stable than you are, but you don't want to equally give efforts into the relationship, and you have a tendency to trick your person to make them do all the work for them. Okay, and so you involve them in some small fights, petty fights, to make your work done, and it's very hard to change your mind. Okay, if you are wrong in something, it's very hard to change your mind, and that is why they think that staying with you might not be stable. Now for the others of you, I'm seeing that your person sees you that you are very giving in love, and your concept of love is so high that you just sacrifice yourself for the other person, and you tend to make wrong decisions. You attract wrong people in your life who cause problems in your life, or they come into your life because you are more stable, and you are very caring, and you are very giving, and they don't want to do the work, right? So this is for the others of you. Now what your person sees you for the first scenario is they think that you are not honest, and you are lying. They don't trust you basically, and they think that you are emotionally very manipulating, very controlling. They tell you that you trick them to apologize for things that they are not responsible for, or that they have not done or anything wrong, but still you manage to make them apologize. So that is how manipulating you are. And they also think that you are having the people around you are not trustworthy also, because that is affecting your thoughts, and that's what make you also go in a direction where you tend to lie or hide the truth. So they might be telling you that whatever friends you have, whatever followers you have, that is fake. That is what your person thinks, and they might be telling you that. And so in order to if you want them in their life, they think that you need to follow what they want you to. They are going to give you a proper direction, and only then this relationship can work. Now the others of you, the other scenario where you were very much giving in the relationship and you don't make the right decision when it comes to choosing your partner. So your person, I see, maybe there might be some third person who might have approached you with an offer, who might have shown interest in you, but your person might be giving you a friendly suggestion to not go forward with the third person, because they think that they are not being truthful and they are manipulating, and because you tend to make the wrong decision. So I see maybe this might be, for the second scenario, maybe a friend of yours, so they are being kind of guiding you in the right direction to take the right decision, and against someone who is acting as genuine, but they are actually not, and they don't have any long-term plans with you. Okay, so they're kind of trying to guide you, and might be telling you to not consider their offer if you are getting an offer from any third person. So this is the second scenario. Okay, and what is making them stay with you is, for the first scenario where they think that you are mean, is they think that you are holding them back, that you are not letting them go. You are very controlling and you really want them in their life, and you are not letting them set free. And for the others of you, the second scenario, your friend or your person, they think that you need a proper direction so that you make good choices in life. They are very caring for you, I think. So that is why they are staying with you in the situation that you might be taking a wrong decision. Okay, so Virgo, this was your reading. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video.